you. This time, it's a snowy day.
In where?
Oh, in Texas.
In Texas?
Usually, everyone thinks, are you kidding me? There's no snow in Texas. But weather changes. It snows. And we have Thursday and Friday school off.
Okay. So what do you want to show it to us? You want to show your snowman or you want to take a walk around?
Yeah, let's walk around. Gracie, we're going to take a walk.
Gracie playing icicles?
And plus we're going to get an ice. Here's how you play. Say icicle. Icicle. Oh, Grace.
All right, let's go.
Come on, we're going to go for a walk.
Careful, it's icy.
Let's
And puddles. And puddles.
I can't just wipe my feet here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Mama, Mama,
Where should
come
we
on.
go? You want to go over there?
Maybe let's go to our school.
School? Oh.
Take a while. In fact, let's not go to our school at all.
How about we just walking around here?
Yeah, let's walk around.
And
No ball fight. Come on, Grace. Right here's a great place to play.
go around.
No ball.
You want to make a snow angel? This is the perfect spot to make a snow angel. Oh my. Here, you can make a snow angel here.
I want to make snow angels, Mama.
All right, go make a snow angel. Oh, Gracie too. Wow. All right, let's get up. Get up, please.
Now it's the snow angel. Wow. So nice.
So
Mom,
nice.
do I need to shower my hair today?
Yes, you have to. Your hair is dirty, huh?
Oh, it's not that dirty.
No, we have to. Let's go. Wow, look at the trees.
Uh-huh.
They are so beautiful. All right, get up, girls. Girls, up, up. What are you going to make?